So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the steps of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So let us start. And please like, subscribe and share the video. So now I will tell you some notation on which based you will understand the algorithms I am saying. So the first notation is R. So in R we have to move this right layer towards the upwards or clockwise, and the R dash would be its opposite, means we have to rotate it anti-clockwise or towards the down. Now our next is L. So if we did R like this, so L would be the opposite of this. So L would be, we would be moving the left layer towards down, and L dash would be, we would be moving the left layer upwards. Next is F. So F would be, we would be moving this front one layer which is at our front towards the right or clockwise, and F dash would be, we would be moving this layer towards our left or anti-clockwise. Now B. So it's the same case like right and left. So if F is like this, so B will be like this. And if F dash is like this, so B dash would be like this. Now our next one is D. So D, we would be moving towards the left, and D dash would be, we would be moving this down layer towards the right. Next is U. But in this U and D case, we would be, the notations would be same, like U would be also here and D would be also like here, and D dash like this and U dash also like this. Now our last and final notation is M. So in M we have to move this layer towards the right side, and in M dash we have to move this layer towards our left. So let us start solving the Rubik's Cube. Now we will start jumbling the cube. So let us start. See, I am just jumbling the cube randomly. And one more thing, I usually start solving the Rubik's Cube from green side. So if you will be also starting it from green side, it would be easier for you to solve the Rubik's Cube. So see, now it's jumbled fully. Now let us start. So as I said to you that I usually start from green, so I would keep the green color on top, and if which one color you are using, you would keep it on top. I am selecting green, you can select any color. So let us start. First our aim is to make this plus, means to arrange these all middle pieces which are between the corner pieces. So what we have to do, first we have to find some middle pieces in the opposite color of our color. Like my color is green, so its opposite color is blue. So I have to find a green color middle piece in this layer. So see, I have found, and now we have to see the color which is at its above. So here is green and here is orange. So first I have to match this orange with like this orange. See, as you can see, I have matched this orange with orange. Now what I have to do? Now I have to do it R2. So how we will do R2? We will move this R layer upwards 2 times, R2. So now you can see these two colors are at their right place. So now I am searching, but there is no color. So there would be a color in middle layer, top layer, or in this bottom layer. So here I found a color in this middle layer. So what I have to do, I have to, wherever is this empty place where there is not a middle piece, you can move it, that layer down, and this piece will come here. Then now you can match, you can see this color and it's yellow. I'm matching it with yellow, and see, you can do it. So this color is undisturbed and this plus has also been done. So now I'm finding any green piece, and there isn't any green piece. So see, I can see this in the top and the bottom layer. So now what we have to do, first we have to move wherever these pieces are, you have to move it down. Then you have to move the middle layer, means M dash. So like this, and then you can do this down. So see, now it's already matched. You can again do this up, and now it's here. So do once in the empty layer, then down, then match it with it. And sometimes it could be that your middle piece is disturbed, so no worry, a case will come when your every piece will be settled without be disturbing. So see, my whole plus is done and these pieces are at their right place. See, as you can see. So now our aim is to set these 4 corner pieces. So first to make plus we found the pieces in this layer. Now we will find in this one layer, not at the bottom, now at this one here. So I have found one. See, as you can see, this I have found. Now I have to see the color at its bottom. So here is like green and here is orange. So I have to match this orange with orange. Like here is orange, so I have to match it with orange color. Now what I have to do, there's simple algorithm. So the algorithms will be also mentioned in the description box. So the algorithm is D R dash, then D dash, and then R. So now as you can see, these 2 pieces are at the right place now. Now I have to find one more. See, it's here is green and here is white, so it's matched with its right color already. Now I am applying this algorithm once again, which is D R dash, D dash, and R. So see, these colors have also been settled to their right place. And now as you can see, here is red and green. So now we need to match these colors. So here, as you can see, here is green and red, and it's settled at its right place. So the algorithm is, once again we will apply it, D R dash, D dash, and R. So see, these pieces have also been settled at their right place. Now see, I have found one more piece. So here is green and yellow. So I will do the algorithm once again. First I will match it with its color. Algorithm is D R dash, D dash, and R. So as you can see now, this first layer has been all solved. See. Now we have to solve this second layer. This all middle pieces here. So now how we will do it? First we have to find this pair of these 2 pieces where there is not blue. So there is not your color's opposite color piece. So like here is not blue, and first now I have to match this red one. It's at above, so I have to match this red with red. Then what I have to do? Then I have to see here is yellow color, so the yellow color would be at our right or at our left. So it's at my left, so I will move this down layer towards right, means D dash, and if it would be at your right, you would move it at your left side, means D. So it's at my left, I will move it in right. Then because it's in the right left, so I will bring this left layer down and then I will replace this piece with its right color, and then I will replace these two pieces again. See, this has been disturbed. Now we can apply, it would be at its own place. Now we can apply that algorithm once again, D, R dash, D dash and R. So now you can see these two colors have been settled. Now one more I am finding. So now as you can see, white and orange I have found. So first I need to match white with white, and orange is at my right. So I will move this layer towards the left because it's at right. Then I will move this layer down, right layer, then replace this to its right color, and then replace this also to its right color. Now we will apply this algorithm once again. See, and this has been came at its right place, and our first layer is undisturbed. So here I have found one more, white and red. Red is matched, white is at our right side again. Now I have to move this towards our left because it's at right layer down, and replace it again, and one more time that rule again, replace this. So now you can see these colors have been settled. Now here I have found one more, orange and yellow. So yellow is in my right again. I have to do it towards left, right layer down, and replace it again with its color, and now replace this corner piece also. So now as you can see, this whole second layer is solved. Now our aim is to solve this third layer, and then our cube would be solved. Now our aim is to make this plus of the opposite color without disturbing this second layer. So there would be 4 cases. First, there would be only this one piece and only some corner pieces. We should ignore the corner pieces while making the plus. And second would be that there would be a opposite L, like this. And third would be, it would be a horizontal line. And fourth would be that you would see a full plus. So I am with the first case. So I will tell you an algorithm. So the people which are at different cases, please follow me because the positions should be different. So the algorithm is F, R, U, R dash, U dash and F dash. So now you can see our second layer is undisturbed and we have got a opposite L. So now I have to place the Rubik's Cube in that position so that I see a opposite L. So I have to apply this algorithm once again. F, R, U, R dash, U dash and then F dash. So you can see this is again once undisturbed and we have got a horizontal line. So now place it in the way where you can get a horizontal line. So we have to do this algorithm once again. F, R, U, R dash, U dash and F dash. So now you can see I have got a full plus. See, as you can see it. So now our aim is to make this a full plus. So like here is blue and white. So here should be also blue and white. So I have to do this case in all the places. So there would be also 2 cases. First, your opposite colors would be right, like red, this orange. That orange would be right and red would be right. And second would be these neighborhood pieces would be right. Okay. So I will make you understand the pieces in the cases in the upcoming videos. So now my second case is there. I have to hold the Rubik's Cube like that one wrong layer is at facing me and second is facing the right side. So the algorithm is R, U2, R dash, U dash, R and U dash, and then again R dash and U dash. So now you will see that your whole plus will be done. See, like here is blue and white, and again there is blue and white, blue and orange, and all and every layer there is like this only. So now what we have to do, now just we have to place this corner pieces in the right place. So now how we will find out that they are at the right place or not? So like here is blue, white and red. So here should be also blue, white and red, no matter which color is at which place. So here is blue, orange and yellow, means it is wrong. Now one or more pieces would be come at their right place, but mine have not come, so I would be applying this algorithm once again, and L dash, U, R, U dash, L, U and R dash, and then U dash. So now you will see that the pieces would come at the right place. So see, blue, yellow and orange, blue, yellow and orange, blue, orange and white, blue, orange and white, and same at all the places. Now what we have to do, now just we are at our final stage. Now we have to arrange these pieces at their right place. So there is a 4 notation small algorithm. So the algorithm is R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. So like we have to do it like this, then again we have to do this layer, and then R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, and finally R dash D dash R D. And once you will turn around this layer and see, your Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share the video.